Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to run a factorial ANOVA. So you should have seen that this is considered a 3 by 2. So one of the ways you can check that is if I go here to my variable view and I can go to my face type. You'll notice there's unattractive and attractive, and then you've got your alcohol consumption, which is placebo, low dose, and high dose. Alright, so I go back to my variable view and we're going to just run the analysis. So if you need to do descriptive analysis, check for normality, you can start up here, okay? But for now, we're just going to go to a general linear model. You're going to go to univariate, and your dependent variable, remember, is what it is you're measuring. So we are measuring median attractiveness, and our fixed factors are our independent variables. So if you had 2 independent variables, you're going to move those over. If you had 3, you'd move those over. So for now, we're going to select both of these. Okay, you can do plots, and you can decide, it doesn't really matter which you put in the horizontal and which you put on the separate lines, but sometimes it's easier to interpret given the way that you would do your plots. So for now, I'm going to do my face type as separate lines and my alcohol as horizontal axis, and you have to click add when you do that. And click continue. You can do contrasts. Alright, so remember that your contrasts allow you to compare the main effects and significant differences. So face type, there's only 2, so I don't need to do a contrast because that would look at the main effect of attractiveness versus unattractiveness. Alcohol, however, has got 3 types. Okay, it's got the placebo, the low, and the high dose. So in this case, I probably want to do contrast because I want to see if the placebo is significantly different from the low, if the placebo is significantly different from the high, and if low is significantly different from high. So the contrast we're going to choose is going to be a helmet, because what the helmet does is it compares all 3 against each other. And you have to make sure that you click change and click continue. And then the other thing we're going to do is we're going to do a post hoc analysis. And in this case, again, what we are looking at alcohol because there are 3 levels in the alcohol. And we're just going to use Bonferroni. So I'm going to select Bonferroni. Again, there's multiple choices here, and you can go through and read about each one of those. But for now, we're just going to use the Bonferroni. And we're going to click continue. So everything should be set up. Let's see if I click on options here. So in options, you could do descriptives if you so desired. That would be helpful. And I'm going to click continue. And then I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And here's your output. So on the next presentation, I will walk through your output so that you can understand what it is that you have generated.